Hey guys, I'm going to draw a Remembrance Day artwork. I'm going to start with the cross. Now we associate the cross with Jesus Christ, but we also use it as like tombstones, etc. And that's what mine represents here. It symbolises all the fallen soldiers from the wars, lest we forget. There we have a cross. Now I'm going to just make that 3D. So I'm just going to bring that around like so. So you can see the left hand side of it. And now I'm going to draw quite a few poppies around through the bottom here. So let's start with a sort of a regular circle with a smaller circle inside. Now let's draw some petals. One petal. Most poppies have 4, so you got to sort of try and do 4 petals coming out. And then one more here. And notice how I'm bumping it through. And then we're going to flick out some little lines. Now there's a petal, so I'm going to just bring that cross down to here and to here. And I'm going to put some like little bits of grass in here. And then I'm going to draw another petal, or another poppy here. Let's go with a poppy, so regular circle, petal coming off here. Coming back on, remember 4 petals. And then lucky last. And then a couple of little lines like so for each of these. Now, what we're going to do here is have one behind. So I'm going to draw a middle there, and then the poppy petal will come behind that one. And then it's going to come up. Another one down here, and another one sort of like that there. 2, 1, 2. Flick them out, don't just draw a line, flick them. And I'm going to draw another couple over here. One here. In behind here. Flick it out. And the more you draw those, the better you will get at. Now I'm going to turn this into a wreath. So I'm going to bump a few bumpy lines here, and then it's going to be some bumpy lines, which is going to form like a circle. So bring that around. So that's the inner circle of the wreath, and this is going to be the outer circle of the wreath. And I'm going to try and bring that all the way around here. Just bump it around like so. I'll put the odd line that comes in a bit further. Bring this around here. A couple of little small ones, some bigger ones, little small ones, some bigger lines. Bump that around. Now if we want to, we could put some little flowers on here as well. And some extra little details for the wreath. A couple of little circles just to add a bit of texture. We might put another little flower in here. Bit of extra texture, a couple of little C shapes, or lines should I say. Adding in another flower here, and any extra other details that we might need in our artwork. A couple of little lines here just to add some extra details in from the edges. And there we have a pretty cool artwork based on Remembrance Day. Thanks for watching. Hope you had a good time drawing your Remembrance Day artwork, lest we forget.